Hello everyone, welcome back to the fourth episode of avijitp-tech. In this episode, we will dive into the primitive data types and their key features. We will cover data types such as number, string, boolean, undefined, null, bigint, and symbol. We will also get the idea of reference or non-primitive data types such as arrays, objects, and functions. Additionally, we will explore implicit data type conversion and explicit type conversion. So without further delay, let's jump straight to the computer screen.
What are data types? Data types define the kind of value a variable can hold. It is a classification of the type of data to be used in a program. JavaScript is a dynamically typed language, which means the data types are assigned automatically and we need not declare them beforehand. There are different types of data: number, string, boolean, undefined, null, bigint, and symbol. Let's explore them one by one. First, I will create a new folder and name it data types. Now I will declare a variable num and assign it the value 123. To check its data type, we use the syntax type of. It returns number. Now, I will change the variable name to str, which stands for string. I assign the value apple to it. To make it a string, we must enclose it in quotes. If I remove the quotes and try to assign it, an error will occur. Now let's check the boolean data type. I assign true to the variable DWL. It returns boolean. Now comes bigint. This data type is used to store very large numerical value without error. If I simply assign a large number to a variable, the type remains number. To make it a bigint, I have to append the letter n after the value. Now let's check the data type of symbol. It is rarely used by beginners and is generally used in advanced functions. If I try to assign a string value without quotes, it returns an error. Now let's check the undefined data type. Undefined means a variable that has been declared but not assigned any value. The data type returned is undefined. Can a variable be made undefined with const keyword? Now let's check null. Null means a value that has been intentionally set as empty. but the data type of a null value is object and not null. Now let's compare number and string. I assign 1 to 3 to the variable x. Then I assign the string form of 1 to 3 to the variable y. When we check the value, it returns 1 to 3 and 1 to 3. This means the program has concatenated the two values instead of actually adding them up. Now let's study implicit type conversion. The good thing about JavaScript is that it automatically changes the data type. I assign a number to the variable x. Then I add another string and store the result in variable y. Now let's check the data type of y. We see that the variable type has changed to string. Now let's experiment by adding a number to a string. I store the string 1 to 3 in x and add 1. The returned value is still a string. Now let's try subtracting. If we subtract a number from a string, the data type becomes a number. Here is a small task for you. What will be the data type when I multiply a number with a string? Will it be a string or a number? Please write your answer in the comment box. Now let's explore boolean conversions. When I add a number to a boolean, the result is a number. This happens because the numerical value of true is 1 and false is 0. So, when we add a number to true, the entire data type becomes a number. Now let's check explicit type conversion. Here, we manually change the data type. I assign a numerical value to a variable x. Then, I reassign the value of x and convert it to string. The syntax is shown on the screen. If I check now, the data type has changed to string. Similarly, the data type of a string can be changed to a number, but the value will be returned as not a number, which we will see a bit later. Now let's change a boolean to a number. If I write true or false, the returned values are 1 and 0 respectively. Now here is another task for you. I assign the number 456 to the variable x. Then I change it to boolean. After that I convert it back to a number. What will be the final result? Will it return the original number or a different value? You have 10 seconds to answer in the comment. The correct answer is 1, irrespective of the initial number assigned to x. I forgot to mention about not a number or NaN. What happens when we try to change the data type of an invalid value? If I try to convert that string 10 in words to a number, it returns NaN. This is because the word 10 cannot be converted to a number. However, if I convert the numerical form of 1, 2, 3 to a number, it becomes a numerical value. I hope the output makes it clear. Now let's check the values returned by null and undefined. Since in null data type the value assigned is 0, adding 2 to it gives the output of 2. I have provided a chart to explain the type conversions in details.
That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this presentation, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you soon in the next video. Take care and bye for now.